So this is the 2021 MX-5.
Hey, let's go.
Oh.
Oops.
Jeez.
We gotta do it with the top down, huh? Or what?
Sure.
I don't know. It's a Miata, right? So we should get a full experience right here.
Oh, you gotta physically do it?
Yeah. I think that's how it works.
Jeez.
Yeah, clips in.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright guys, this is the 2021 Mazda MX-5 GS base model manual. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. And we got the top down right now. We're with Dare.
Hey.
About to do a little run for you guys here. See what he has to say about it.
Alright, we're gonna slide down this way. Dump the clutch. I'm not gonna stall them.
Jeez. How you feel?
This is a great shifter feel. It's about good for it.
It's very
Likes to rev, I'll tell you that. It likes to rev more than my car right off the bat.
yeah?
That's only 3,000.
So it's got a little power, right?
Yeah.
Do you know what size engine this is?
This is a 2-liter putting out 181 horsepower and 151 torque.
This is turbo?
No, it's an NA.
Really? Okay.
NA 2-liter. Oh, the second gear transition is nice. This is something else.
Yeah?
We took it 68 miles per hour.
No, that's very smooth, yo.
That's so cool. Yeah. This is beautiful.
You like this one, eh?
I like this one a lot too.
Might be a future option.
For sure. Oh, it's locking me out.
How's the transmission?
Oh, it's locking me out right now. Okay, that's okay.
Oh yeah, this one is nice. This one is nice.
I see it in this car. I get why Miata is the answer. Anson knows where I want to to. Well, he knows.
He knows. He knows. How you feel about the size in here? You comfortable?
Honestly, I'm pretty fucking comfortable.
Yeah.
And you can tilt this up and down, and you can tilt the seat pretty far back, to be honest. You can tilt the seat a lot further back than I am. Like, holy shit. like,
Holy shit.
like, that's pretty fucking sick to me. Clutch is something to get used to, though, and I definitely smell brakes right now, I think.
I smell that too, yeah. Is this wireless charge too?
Wireless charge? Is it?
Looks like it, eh?
No, I don't think so.
No. Oh, maybe not, I guess.
This
They
thing
got...
shakes a lot too, like an actual race car.
Oh, yeah.
I like that. The radio on
Well, the radio is pretty,
what the fuck, man?
So, guys, the camera... guys can see here, is a little bit tight, but it's still comfortable though, you know. I think you got more space in the driver's seat for some reason.
Yeah, I think there's more adjustability in the driver's seat. Oh, this is literally a brand new car, 8 kilometers.
Brand new.
Still got the plastic and shit on it.
Still got the plastic. So yeah, guys, that's the MX-5 for you guys. It's the GS, and what's the color called?
This is a polymetal gray.
Polymetal gray. Very nice. This one is quick, very quick. Impressed with the torque on this. Although it's not automatic, the top is pretty cool still. Now, what does this one go for roughly?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, this one, the sticker is 39.
39.
39. The sticker, yeah. 39.3 was the sticker. Oh, it shakes a lot.
So 39,300. Oh my god. Oh shit. You can feel it too, you know?
Beautiful. Yeah.
You guys can see, quick shot, interior. So yeah, this is the 2.0 liter. No turbo.
That's funny.
So this is a 2.0 liter.
Yeah, 2 liter. Oh, this was open or something?
Oh shit.
Put it on.
Jeez. Alright guys, that's it. Do a proper walk around here.
Well, it's got the daytime running lights too.
It has, yeah?
I think the biggest difference for the 21 is in the grill in the front.
The grill?
The grill in the front. And that little reverse camera now in the bumper.
Oh, right there, right?
Yeah.
A little reverse camera there. How did you overall think of this? What's your overall thoughts?
Honestly, dope car. You
Yeah.
do some light bolt-ons and stuff, fine. The thing will fly. And you got a top-down experience.
Very true. Appreciate that.
Look at this.
It's a good look.
The fender. The fender lines, you know?
Yeah.
The fender lines.
It handles really nicely. This one.
Yeah.
Like you said, around turns and all that, very good.
Right. You see in the grill here, these 2 little snorkels.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that has more power or what for 21, but that's new.
Right here?
Yeah, those little snorkels are new.
Very
And,
cool.
I think those slats were just like one big opening before.
Okay.
Like subtle changes, I guess, like small stuff compared to the old one.
Right, right.
Facelift, I guess.
Facelift, yeah. Every little thing helps though, you know?
Yeah.
What size are these rims?
These are 17s.
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 It's definitely fun. I didn't expect that much power.
That's
You
what I
know?
was saying, dude. It feels stronger than my car for sure.
It does. It actually does.
It feels
legit.
like it's way stronger than my car.